Guys, today I have a kitting up video for you, and it's going to be a really short one. I am kitting up the painting Be Brave. It is by Sara Burrier, and it is from the company Craftibly. Now, Craftibly has their kits pre-bagged, so all I have to do to kit up this is organize my bags, and then I'll just be working right out of the bags. So to hold my bags, I have this really pretty rainbow tray from Bella Arte Nicole, and I have my drills. I'm just going to start. Now these are already even in order, I think, so this should be pretty easy. Now the kit does come with stickers, so if I wanted to, I could totally kit up in a different storage system, but I'm eager to get started on this piece as soon as possible, so I'm just going to double check that these numbers are all in order, and once I have them in here, I'm going to call it good enough. What number was that? 8? Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $16, 18, 19, 20. This is maybe one of the easiest kitting up videos I have ever done. I actually haven't kitted up from bags very often. I have worked out of bags before on smaller kits, but nothing, mostly from nothing that I've unboxed, mostly from kits off of Amazon and that sort of thing that weren't licensed, and I have since, learned my lesson, tried to do better, although sometimes a good diamond painting can't be resisted. Anyways, okay, I'm getting off track. Don't hate me. Okay. How are you guys doing today? What kits are you working on? I am still finishing up. What did I do? 738. I'm missing a couple. There we go. I am still working on my Paris kit. And am I working on any other kits right now? Nope. There's 2 bags of 44. All right. I actually don't have any other work in progresses going right now. I mean, maybe I have a couple small special drill kit projects, but nothing that's a long-term project, if that makes sense. Look guys, I'm all kitted up and ready to go. How awesome is that? Super easy. Okay, let's see, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, so I'm working on this kit. I'm going to be starting it right away, and as the next month approaches, I probably will be starting another kit, so I'll probably have a few going on at a time. I try not to do that, but right now I think that's how it's going to be, and because I have some really great kits that I want to work on. So yeah, let me know what you guys are working on, or what you plan to work on in the near future. I'm always interested to hear what you guys are up to. Let me know if there's any kits out there you'd like me to try, and I will do my best to accommodate you guys. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, this is a super short video, almost not even worth doing, but I did want to show you, the kitting up of this kit anyways. Have a good day, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.